What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you ever so much for choosing one of my videos to watch. I really hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to be recreating this sparkly gold and red makeup look. I literally went for something more subtle, but this is what happened instead. If you want to see how we recreated this look, then please stay tuned. Guys, just for like time saving purposes, I have already done my primer, foundation and concealer. So for blush, we're going to use like a balmy blush today. This is the Balm Wave Butter Lip and Cheek Balm by the Beauty Crop, this one here, and I'm basically just going to take my Real Technique sponge that I've got damp already, and I'm just going to like get some on the sponge and apply it to my cheeks. I always make my blush a little bit more intense when I do like a cream, because obviously I'm going to cover it up with powder. And for powder, I'm going to go in with my Mua Loose Setting powder. I have a towel over myself because it goes everywhere. I'm basically going to set my whole face, including over the blush. I think I want to do the face first and then we can go on to the eyes. Let's mix things up a bit. I'm going to do my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. Mine's in the shade Sunkissed. It's amazing. Most people have tried this bronzer, you will know, so I won't yabber on about it too much. But I'm just going to warm up the face with this. Oh, and it just smells so nice. Then you just want a little bit of glow on my cheeks over that blush. I'm going to go in with my Zoeva Soft Sun blush, this one here, in the shade Radiant Glow. It's stunning, just literally just to add the tiniest bit of shimmer, because we're doing like a soft pinky look, so we want a nice pinky blush. I'm loving just like popping some on my nose recently. I know that was a trend like a year ago, but it's okay. For brows, I'm going to use my Rimmel Brow Gel. Let's just pop this on and then we can move on to the eyes. And honestly, I know I want to do something like cute and romantic and all that, but I want to do something a little bit different. That is the base almost complete. We're going to go in Euphoric Metallic Cream Eyeshadow by Balm in the shade Charged. It's a lovely like reddy shade, and I really just want to blend that all over the lid. So I'm going to go in with this larger fluffy brush, Weekend by BH number 4 brush. So I'm just going to get some on my brush. So pretty. Actually, I think I'm going to switch to a smaller brush. And with this Weekend Vibes number 5 brush, just because I want something a little bit more concentrated. So easy to work with, and the colour is just stunning. I'm almost tempted just to like leave it as it is. Remind me of the Charlotte Tilbury ones, but to be honest, these are a bit easier to blend. I love my Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize liquid shadows, cream shadows. They're stunning, they're amazing, a staple, worth the money. But if you want to try something with a bit more of like a colour range, then Balm ones are really good. We're going to tidy it up, don't you worry. The smaller, more angled brush, and I'm just going to pop a little bit on the waterline, the lower waterline, not the waterline, under the eye. The thing with this is just to apply a small amount and then build it up. That's the best way to work with it. You know what, I think I want to do like a pop of gold in the middle, and then I think we might just leave it at that. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, just because I want to just soften those edges a little bit. This shade here, on the same brush we've been using, and just run it on the edges of that eyeshadow, just to soften it a little bit. Yes, what we needed. And this like peachy shade just on the outer edges. And then for the gold in the centers and the inner corners, I'm going to use my Tarte Chrome Pot in the shade Beach Bay. It is the most gold you could ever ask for, so I'm going to pop this on with my finger. You could use a brush, but I just prefer to use my finger, and I'm going to run this, I'm going to pop this on the inner corner, focusing it mostly there, but also just bringing it in onto the lid slightly. Sort of angled brush, I'm just going to run that just to blend it ever so slightly. Okay, now we're going to go in with some gems, because this look clearly needs gems and eyeliner. It needs eyeliner. We're going to do a black wing with my QIC Kill black liner, this one here. We're just going to do a good old-fashioned black wing, and then we can come back and do gems. That is the liner done, and I'm just going to go in with my Lord & Berry Antique Bronze Eye Pencil, and I'm just going to run this in the waterline just to help with that gold, and then we can move on to gems. Okay, so usual glitter fix gel and my gems. I'm going to use some of these bronzy style gems, I think, rather than red ones. So I'm just going to pop them on around the eye, and then we can and just keep adding them, basically. As many as we want. So we're going to do some red gems underneath. So I went ahead and put 3 bronze gems on underneath my eyebrows. I put 3 red ones on my face, and I put 2 like yellowy gold ones in the middle, and honestly I love it. I'm going to go in with my usual iconic London triple threat mascara because I want big bold lashes, and then we can do highlighter and lipstick. Okay, so obviously today we need like a goldy highlighter. So we're going to use my Makeup Revolution Revolution Rose Gold Glow highlighter. I haven't used this palette for ages. I'm trying to use other highlighters, but if I need a gold, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to pop this all over my face. Honestly, if you don't have this highlights palette in your collection, or one similar, you need to. Brow, on my nose. Okay, and for lips, what lip colour are we feeling? Okay, for lips, I'm going to go in with a combo I have not done for ages. I'm going to do the NYX red lip pencil, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this, and then we're going to go in with a liquid lipstick that I love, but I rarely wear, but we're going to today. I'm not overlining or anything, I'm literally just doing on the edges of my lips and then just shading in a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Fashion Legacy. Is this not stunning? It is. Oh, this was a gift last year and I love it. But you do need a lip liner so it doesn't move or bleed. And for setting spray, I'm just going to use my usual iconic London Prep Set Glow, and then we're pretty much done. This is today's finished look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next upload. We have loads of fun here and, you know, loads of gems and everything as always. But yes, until next time, take care of yourselves, my little stars, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.